Overnight oats in the making. So we've got 1 scoop of chocolate life shake, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/3 of a cup of oats, and we're going to put the dry ingredients into our ball jar and we'll stir them up, get them stirred up a little bit. Just kind of mix them up. And then we're going to add a cup of coconut almond milk. I'm going to stir a little bit of that just to get it started. And what we're going to end up doing is putting it in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow morning we're going to have a nice protein breakfast that we can eat with a spoon, and we'll have that bite appeal that so many people like. So off to the refrigerator with this, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It's time to check out the overnight oats. So I'm going to stir them up here, and I'm going to see what I think about them, and then I've got some things I want to add to it. Oh wow, that's good. So I have some almonds. I'm going to put some almonds in there. I like almonds and chocolate, and I like blueberries and chocolate. So I have some frozen blueberries, and I'm going to add a few of those. And we'll just have a taste treat here. Easy, on the go. I can go to the car, I can go to my desk, or I can just sit outside and do a little meditation in the morning. There you go, overnight oats. I think it's a pretty good way to start the day. Have a great day, everybody.